Imagine waking up 1 year from today. You check your bank account. Instead of stressing over bills, you see $10,000 that you earned. Not from winning the lottery, not from crypto gambling, not from a rich family, just by using skills you already have or can learn for free. And the crazy part, thousands of students are doing it right now. Today, I'm breaking down the exact roadmap. Let's start with the biggest mistake almost everyone makes. Most people think making money starts with investing. Wrong. If you only have $50 in your bank account, investing isn't going to magically make you rich. Your biggest investment right now is increasing your income. Think about it like a video game. You don't buy the strongest weapon at level 1. First, you level up your character. Money works the same way. Income first, investing second. That's the mindset that changes everything. There are a lot of ways to make money online. Dropshipping, YouTube, affiliate marketing, trading, selling products. But here's the truth. Most beginners quit because those methods usually take months before you see results. Instead, start with something much simpler. Sell a skill. Businesses pay people every single day for things they don't want to do themselves. Writing emails, editing videos, designing thumbnails, managing social media, creating short-form content, building websites, using AI tools. You don't need to be an expert. You only need to be slightly better than the average beginner. Here's the secret nobody tells you. Businesses don't care about your degree. They care about one question. Can you solve my problem? If your answer is yes, you'll always have opportunities. Let's say you learn basic video editing. You message 20 creators every day. Maybe 18 ignore you. 1 says no. 1 gives you a chance. That 1 client becomes your first testimonial. Now getting the second client becomes easier. Then the third. Momentum starts building. That's how real businesses grow. Not overnight. 1 client at a time. Step 2. Increase your income. Now imagine you're making $1,000 every month. Great. But how do you reach $5,000? This is where most freelancers get stuck. The answer isn't working longer hours. It's becoming more valuable. There are 4 upgrades. First, position yourself where money already exists. Businesses happily spend money when you help them earn more. If your service helps them get customers, increase sales, or save time, you're no longer an expense. You're an investment. Second, stop charging for time. Charge for outcomes. Nobody buys a drill because they love drills. They buy it because they want a hole in the wall. People don't buy your editing. They buy more views, more subscribers, more sales. Sell the result. Third, build your online reputation. Post your work. Share tips. Upload before and after examples. The goal is simple. Instead of chasing clients, clients start finding you. That's when everything changes. And finally, stay organized. Reply quickly. Meet deadlines. Use simple systems. Most freelancers don't lose clients because they're bad. They lose clients because they're unreliable. Being professional already puts you ahead of most people. Step 3. Turn income into wealth. Now comes the exciting part. You finally have money. Don't let lifestyle inflation steal it. Just because you make more doesn't mean you should spend more. Instead, build wealth. First, create an emergency fund. Life happens. Unexpected expenses happen. Having savings keeps you from going into debt. Next, start investing. You don't need to predict the next big stock. Simple index funds have historically rewarded patient investors over long periods. Patience. If you enjoy researching companies, you can invest a smaller amount into individual stocks. Just remember, higher rewards usually come with higher risk. And yes, crypto exists. Bitcoin, Ethereum. But never invest money you can't afford to leave invested through market ups and downs. The smartest investors don't chase hype. They stay consistent. Even small monthly investments can grow significantly over many years through compounding. Here's the roadmap one more time. Learn a valuable skill. Use that skill to earn income. Increase your value. Invest consistently. Repeat. No shortcuts, no fake gurus, no overnight success. Just simple actions repeated over and over. 1 year from now, you'll either wish you started today or wish you had. The choice is yours. If this video helped you think differently about money, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.